Ayan, aalis na po kami sa birthday trip ni ate.
I don't think they're going on a trip. They're just
What? No. Maybe they're going camping. Okay, go. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wala pang 30 minutes
kaming
nagda-drive. Kuminto agad kami.
Anong gusto mo?
Tulog si Yuna eh. Hindi ako. Si RD. Bababa si RD.
Sama ka na?
Ayan. Si ate tulog na. Dito kami sa Tim Horton.
Oh no, maliligay ng chicken ako. No.
Yung baboy, naging chicken. Regina. Yay. Yay. Makakababa na naman kami ulit. So this is our next stop.
Ito na ang music namin.
Next stop.
Your song. Kanta. Sing.
Next stop.
Oo, hinto tayo dito.
Yeah, it's just our stop.
Naku, maganda yan.
Nakikigulo kami sa sasakyan nila, Mamsi.
Oh, mami.
Oh, go back to your car. Time to go back to your car.
Balik na kayo doon.
Time to go back.
Nakita kasi.
So, we're here at Chocolate Hills in, where is that? Cebu?
Bohol?
Ah, Bohol. Bohol Chocolate Hills version of Canada. Ayan, look at that. It's already, what time is it? 21? 9? 9? 9 na?
Oh.
9:36. I thought you said it's already 10.
Pero, ayan o.
10 in Winnipeg. Okay, because here in Alberta. Are we here in Alberta?
Saskatchewan pa lang tayo.
Oh, we're still here in Saskatchewan.
Clueless vlogger strikes again.
Yes. The time is already changing. Good morning. It's almost 5 o'clock in the morning. Almost 5 o'clock in the morning. Tulog pa din yung mga baby. Ayan. And look, we're here at the border of ano ba to? Where is it? Alberta. Wala ako sa sarili ko kasi lutang. Look at that view.
Dito natutulog yung mga truck.
Oh, this is the rest area for trucks. Welcome to Alberta. There. Paano? Sili-sili. Yay, we're here in Alberta finally. Mamsi! Go to Mamsi! Go to Mamsi! Lalamig. Hindi ka ba lalamig, Kichi?
Pero hindi ganun kalamig.
Hindi ganun kalamig.
Sanay na.
Lamig. 2, 3, go! Nakakita ng magandang playground. Yung mga bata. Playing. Ano ba to?
No, hindi ko alam. Guess that.
Oh! Tiana! Princess Frog yan.
Princess and the Frog?
Princess and the Frog. Let's see. I know! Toy Story! We're here at Calgary going to Banff. Ayan. Bulubunduki. Ay, sorry. Papunta na kami sa Banff. And look at that view. It's gonna get better and better. The mountain is getting bigger and bigger. And ayan, last na long drive namin na anuhan kami ng gulong, naputokan kami ng gulong. Ngayon naman kakabili lang namin ng gulong noon. Ngayon naman kakapalit lang namin ng windshield at Nikita. Ayun. Yan, nagasgasan. Ay, ano dinosaur?
That's what I said.
Ikaw ba nagsabi nun, te? I can't video you. Yeah, we're entering the mountains.
We're entering the mountain.
Wow.
The mountain.
Is it beautiful, te?
The end of the mountain.
Is it beautiful, Nam? Si Banff.
We're getting sooner there.
Yeah. We're going inside the mountain. We're surrounded by mountains.
I love
Look at that.
Historical site is now located. At that time,
Para
hot
tayong
springs
nasa
were
ano, no?
considered special places with the ability to cure all types of afflictions and had almost magical.
We're entering the Canmore town. This is where we're gonna stay. I'm so excited to see our accommodation.
Of what?
there's a bear.
Anong be? Yan, nasa loob na kami ng Canmore Town Center.
We just went around.
I know, you remember. Lumagpas si Tito M, kaya bumalik tayo. Punta kami sa Speedy Glass kasi papapatya na namin yung windshield namin. Lumagpas kami. Ang Safeway dito. Ganyan ng view. Wow. Araw-araw na siguro akong pupunta sa grocery char kung ganito ang view. Ayan na yung resort namin. Banff Gate Mountain Resort.
Private property naman. Uy, tingnan mo yung view, be!
That's the
What a view!
view. Wow.
What a nice!
And look at the clouds and the sky. It's so white and blue. And so green. Wow. This is it.
Ayun
Pansit.
yung mga ano.
Oh, there's the cabin.
Ayun yung playground! Walang swing!
Ano yun? May swing. There's
Puro
swing,
monkey
no
bar lang.
slide. And monkey.
May
Swing
basketball.
lang. Ay, sayang. Hindi ka nagdala ng bola. Asa kaya sa atin? Sana malapit lang sa playground. Ay, may deck. Ang laki ng deck. Pwede tayo mag-barbecue. Wow, I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. There's chess. Ito yung lodge reception area tsaka pool area. Wow. I can't wait to see our cabin. Oh, there's laundry. Is that free? No, I don't think so.
Ah, kasi yung dalawa. Ito.
Mom, so you've been here before?
No.
No. Hindi kami dito nagstay, anak. Sa cheap hotel.
Cheap hotel na
Cheap
mabaho.
hotel. Lang kami nagstay. What number?
4,
Is that
6.
4? Yay. Oh, there's the 6.
Saan ang 6?
I think right there.
Ah,
Ayun,
saan?
ayun, ayun. Isn't that the 6? Ito yung 7 eh. 7 to eh. Ito, 4, 5, 6. Yan nga, 6 to. Ayan, hindi na kami pa nakapag-cabin tour kasi gutom na kami. Nag-ready kami ng mga pagkain. At nagdi-dinner na kami. Look at that. Steak. Look at this. Ayan ang view mo habang kumakain. Wow. Ang ganda ng view. This is our cabin. Sarap na sarap naman. O, sige. You didn't see your swimsuit. You have to ask ate to help you. Hoy, wag niyong guluhin. Ako na. Wait for me. Wait for me. Siyempre, iwan na naman ako. Lahat na sila tapos na kumain. Ako nandito pa dahil nagpapakain muna ng mga anak at kung ano-ano pang mga utos ng mga anak. Maganda pala dito. May entertainment. May kasama entertainment. Pag talagang bata, hindi ka may bata, hindi ka mainip eh. Mabubwisit ka. Hindi ka hindi, joke lang. Oh, wow, oh. Lord, dalawa sa labas. Ayun, sumasayaw doon. Doon pa nag-concert, ha? Ayan. Ito yung room namin. Isang queen bed. Ang nice. Barn bed. May sariling TV. Tapos may washroom. Dito mag-set up kami mamaya ng ano. Baka kasya na kami dito. Kasya na pala kami. Ayan. Magsuswimming pa kami kahit 7 o'clock na. At pagod na kami. Yeah. Ito yung cabin namin. Aray ko! Uy! Dito pala kayo dapat mag-perform mo, Kichi! Ayun o, may stage. Ayun, may stage. Oh, kanina pa nagsasayaw yung mga anak ko. Bonfire. S'mores. Kaso wala na tayong ano. Daan muna tayo sa reception daw. Makahingi tayong tawalya. Ayan. Look at that. Wow. Ay, kuha na ako ng towel. Babe, do you need extra towel? You got towels for us? Grabe. Selfish. Grabe yung selfish ng asawa ko. Isa lang kinuha. Uy, may game room pala. Nakita niyo yung basement. Game room daw pala yun. Game room. So, hanggang 9:30. Second day. Hindi nga pala ako nakapag-room tour. Good morning! Ayan. Morning view of the mountain. Yung isa energetic na, yung isa nag-space loading pa. We're on our way to Moraine Lake Shuttle. We're going to Moraine Lake. We're exploring Banff today.
Well, it looks like we're getting close to the entrance to Banff National Park.
Grabe.
Hey, are you
I
okay,
can't stop making videos
Where's your camera?
because it's super pretty. Ay, sleepy. Tulog pa to. Ang mga batang nagpusisi.
Can you get my camera?
Nasaan? Nalaglag? Ayaw mo pang munang mag-sleep? Vlog ka, te. I love you, Dad. I wanna say I love you between those mountains.
Sa bundok ng dalawang suso ng dalaga.
Tatlong suso, 3 sister eh.
Suso,
Kami
sister?
Sisters. Hindi, sisters may suso. Parang kami lang yan. Juniper Hotel.
Ano, parang kayo lang. Tatlong sister na may
Tatlong
suso.
sisters na may suso.
Wala ba kasi? Mamaga pa yung mata.
Wow! Wow! Pictorial!
Doon ka ate sa kabila para maganda view.
Wow! Ano kaya to? Ay, doon no, may duyan no.
Oh, salamin. Pa.
Dito lang tayo.
Moraine Lake talaga daw. Kasi Moraine Lake yung ano eh. Tsaka pagbalik, tsaka ka ngayon magle-Lake Lowie. Okay, go. Where are you? We're going to Moraine Lake. Moraine Lake. Hi! Dito
I didn't ride a bus and we ride a bus.
Yeah, you haven't ride a bus before?
Yeah, I
Ayun.
started to when he's school.
And you're riding a bus without your car seat. Yeah.
You're gonna see the mountain.
You're gonna see the mountain. Can you see it? But you're too small. I can see it. Tell me when you see something, okay? Oh, look at that. There's a river. There's a river.
It looks like snow. Like snow.
Active bear area.
Active bear area. Oh, active bear area daw. Lalakad na kami. Nami! Nam, tara! We're here at Moraine Lake.
Ganyan din ang ano, yung mga
Wow!
Barcelona, ganito ang pagkabundok.
Ganito rin ng bundok-bundok din?
Oo, sa Barcelona. Tapos yung, nandun yung ano, hotel.
Lodge to. This is a lodge.
Kaya kailangan sumakay kang gondola. So taas.
Ang It's not a real bear! Nam!
Tama, tingin ka dito.
Nam!
Tingin ka dito.
Yan. Ah! Te, look at that. Look at the water. The color of the water, te.
No, it's cold.
Wow.
Here. Did you bring your swimsuit?
Wow. What, te? Is it cold? Ayan, dyan ka na. Baka malaglag.
Can I throw it?
Naglaro ng... Nami, I said just the small rocks, please. Ay, aalalayan nyo pala si Mamsi tsaka si Papsi, ah. Ha?
Maganda sana mag-picture dito sa ano.
Ay, ayan. I wanna take time to look at that. It's super pretty. Ito po ang mga anak kong tiis ganda. Sila na nag-decide na tanggalin yung mga jacket nila. Che! Now we're entering the Lake Louie. Ayan, nilalamig na yung mga anak ko kaya binalik na nila yung sweater nila. Lamig na lamig. Behind every photo is a lot of people. There. Yeah, magpipicture daw yung anak ko dyan sa Lake Louie. We're here at Banff Town. We're gonna have lunch here dahil gutom na yung mga babies. At ang mga oldies, ang mga ka-maintenance. Ang diabetic, baka maano na, ma-low sugar na. Ano nangyari sa tuhod ng baby ko? Let me see your knee. Let me see your knee. Oh no, what happened? Wow, there's a pretty baby on the wagon. Hi. We're here at Banff downtown. Lalakad kami. Sobrang init na. Grabe. Nam, tingin ko nga kung meron na. Kumain ng ice cream. Ayan, kaya nag-lipstick na ng... Tingin. Tapos kanina sabi pa niya... Ayan, meron na. Hindi na tang...
Kulay na maigi.
Hindi, kulay na.
Meron ng kulay?
Pag sinabi mo yung mag-green.
Ang ganda nga niya, oh.
Teka nga, sayang yung view.
Tao yung sad. Si Yuna tapos si Tito M niya.
Bakit?
Hindi ba nagkukwento pinagalitan ko, nakahinto. Ngayon ayaw ko usapin.
Ayaw ko na kausapin.
Hindi ko na nga ako.
Oo. Tatawid ah.
Left, right. Oh, thank you.
ano. What? You wanna sit in the wagon na? Ha? Everywhere is so pretty. Papunta na kami sa Banff Gondola. Hawak ka sa akin, anak. We're going up the Sulphur Mountain. Right there. You can't wait. Ate, you tell sa vlog what happened earlier. Tell it. What happened? What happened? No, you don't want. That's what we're gonna ride.
Dumating na.
Saan?
Sa inyo.
Sa inyo.
Iiwan lang yun doon.
Tama mo si Nami. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Touch, I get this. Go.
Madali. Ayan. Tapos namin.
Sana lagi kang ganyan, no? Hindi nahihiya. Go! Oh, oh, oh! Tangharot! Tangharot!
Bumili na kayo, bumili pa kayo yan.
Nanghilig! Kawawa naman si Mami. Ayaw ako kasama ng ate ko sa gondola. First time pa naman gusto ko kasama ko ate ko. Tapos gusto kasama si Mamsi. Yay! We're excited! Nam, are you excited? Yes? Gondola. We're inside the... Oh, we're on top! Wow, Nami. Is it scary, Nam? Oh, we're going up there, all the way up.
We're going up. I'm scared.
No,
Are you really scared?
Tayo na. I'm feeling we're baliktad.
Yeah, we are.
Say hi ka sa video.
We're baliktad.
Are you scared?
Yes.
We're baliktad.
No.
Yes.
We're going up high.
Are you Hilo? No. Ayun na, yung Lake Louie.
Where?
Ayun no, nandun.
Mom.
Right there, that's the hotel, right?
I wonder if we can see a ball.
This whole area is bad.
Na.
Bibingay ko.
Ano nga natakot? Natakot? We're here at the top of Sulphur Mountain. Sige, go. May videohan kita. Look at that view. Wow.
Excuse me, sir.
Nasaan? Where's the goat, Nam?
Maraming mga anak pa kasama eh.
It's eating. Just the bam-bam. Nam, we just saw the bam. Ito dito walang tao. Oh. Diyan kayo. Ayan oh. Para ano tayo? Turno. Turno. Hindi, naglakad ka na kasi eh. Te, be careful. Teka lang, yung ate mo, ayun na oh. I'm just calling your ate, Nami. Sabi nila, you should travel with your kids while you're young. But if you're kid is like this and you're going up the mountain, think twice. We're so tired and we're not even there yet. Oh, we're almost there. And Nami is pakarga. Yuna. Is it visible? There, Yuna is here. This is the top.
Kelsey! Oh, there you are. I couldn't see you.
Did you see? Sheep? Ilan?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, that's a lot of sheep. Oh, sheep family. Goat. Okay, time to go down. Ew, yeah. Look how far, how high are we? Ay,
Bilangin mo nga yung trees na kung ilan.
puki ka. Nakita ba sa video? Look at that.
Ilan? 10 lang?
No, there's 1,000.
Are you happy, Nam?
Yeah.
Let me see your face. Ano yung mga white sa face mo? Ha?
Cry.
Cry. And let me see your knee.
Dad, ano mas madami?
Let me see your
1,000 o
knee.
million?
Oh no, what happened to your knees?
Hindi yata Fairmont yun.
While?
I fall down kanina.
Oh no.
Because I'm running.
Because?
Don't you tell the story that's happened to me.
Oh, there's a story that happened to you?
Yes, but don't tell.
Ano?
What is it? What's the story that, what am I not supposed to
Labi
tell?
mo.
What am I not supposed to tell? Bulong mo lang, bulong mo.
No.
Bulong mo dito sa camera.
No.
Trees?
Oh, wow.
Yun na lang. Ay, tignan nyo yun. Ayun sa taas, oh.
Hindi, wala na.
Wala na ba?
Yung paano na yun?
Meron pa isa, yun sa dulo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sa dulo na.
Wala na.
Bibilis na yun.
Alugin na lang natin yung ano.
Wait.
Dig. Gusto mo na? I-swing ko.
Natulungan na kamay mo dito.
Tapos na, sabi mo. 1, 2, 3, tapos na, sabi mo.
Tapos na.
1, 2, 3, tapos na. 1, 2, 3, tapos na.
Dad, stop it.
Sige. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, tapos na. Ay, tignan mo yung sus ni mami. Ay, tignan mo yung ano ni mami, nabubuya to. Tignan mo, ayun o. Ayun o.
Hindi naman, wala naman Walang ano eh.
Walang
In-expect na natin.
Ay, tignan mo yung bus oh. Bilangan mo yung bus.
Oh, it's gonna be fast. It's gonna be fast.
Ilan? Ilan?
Yay! Good morning. So, hello. Just giving an update that nobody asked for again. What? We're heading to Johnston Canyon. It's our 3rd day and
Sinasabi yung anak mo.
napagod na kami. Teka lang, nag-vlog na ako.
Drop your cookie in the
Toilet? You drop your cookie? You want some more? Kainin mo na kaagad. Ano ulit yun? Ayun. 3rd day na namin and yeah, we're so tired from yesterday because we drive there. So, ngayon chill lang kami. Isa lang pupunta namin. We're heading to Johnston Canyon and then since our hotel is super nice, we wanna make the most out of it before we check out tomorrow early. So, ayun. Kasi kahapon di kami nakapag-swimming dahil late na kami nakauwi.
Yung bundok oh.
late na kami nakauwi. So ayun, uwi kami kaagad para ma-enjoy namin yung accommodation namin. Kasi they have lots of amenities like for kids. Meron silang mga outdoor na mga basketball, tennis, mga laruan and everything. They have gym rooms, they have playground. Basta ang dami. Papakita ko. I'll show it to you later. And yung swimming pool nila 3. 2 hot tub, may isang outdoor.
I'm gonna show you kahit di nyo ina-ask.
Yeah. I'm gonna show you kahit di nyo ina-ask. Okay. So, please, panoorin nyo na yung vlog ko. Joke lang. Just kidding. Later na lang. Pag big ka na, babalik tayo dito, magwo-walk ka na. Ano yung sabi mo? Anong promise mo? Hindi ka na magka-cry-cry? Ha?
Hindi nasasakit ang legs mo?
Hindi nasasakit legs mo? You gonna go walk up to the mountain na? Promise?
Hindi ka may mountain. Nasa harap natin.
Oo nga eh. Ay, grabe. Ang ganda.
Na mountain?
Yeah, ng view. Paano sabi ni Mami? Grabe. Eh, yung ate ko, anong ginagawa? Anong ginagawa ng ate ko?
Ay, falls pala yung babe. Oh, tignan mo. Ayun, oh. I-zoom mo. Ayun.
Ayun yung may umano. Water ba yun? No, yung sinasabi nga, yung mga ganyan daw, di ba yun nga daw dumadaan yung mga nalulusaw na yelo. Hindi ka nakinig sa tour kahapon na. Not listening.
Ayun, oh.
Wow, look at that. Oo nga, ayun no, may water na mo. Bumababa. That white thingy. Mountain, and then mountain, and then mountain, and then mountain, mountain, mountain. Everywhere you look, even at the back, it's all mountains. And trees. How about in Winnipeg? What do you see?
So, dinosaurs spent winter too?
Yes, di ba nga Ice Age?
Ice Age?
Yes.
Ice Age.
Yung pinanood nyo, di ba? Yung hindi matapos-tapos yung video mo, nakaka-video ng mountain. Dahil lahat ng mountain maganda. Feeling ko I'm environmentalist. Nature lover. Na ayaw sa mag-hiking. I just wanna appreciate it. But I don't like hiking. Bear! Meron daw 65 na bear dito.
65.
Pero siguro nadamihan na kasi nanganak na. Kaso may mga namatay na rin eh. So, yeah. Hindi naman daw talaga sila nagstay kasi syempre pwede sila mapunta sa BC. Syempre, sila, free sila, diba? Welcome. Bienvenue. Paano yun, te? Bow Valley Park ba yan? Dito na.
Bow Value.
Valley.
Value sa akin.
Bow Valley. Ninunguya kasi ako eh. Ayos talaga ito. Asawa
Inubos
ko.
na yung baon nyo.
Ito pa lang yun.
Ay, ganda!
Ganda! Wow! Look at that. Uyo. Ano to? Nagka-fire? No? Ay, hindi naman. Ano lang, kasi kung fire yan, di sana wala na yung mga no. Yung pati yung mga grass. Black talaga. Naputol yung mga puno, oh. Pero ang ganda.
Hindi, kahit naputol yung mga puno, di nila ako, ah.
Kung sa atin yung ginawa ng panggato. Kinuha. Wow.
How could people do that?
Alin?
Hindi ko alam kung dito yung nagka-wildfire.
Baka nga, ito kasi tignan mo, oh. Tumubo na lang ulit, ah. tumubo na lang ulit yung mga grass.
Dami na
Kaya,
Hindi, mukhang sunog eh.
mukhang sunog nga, no? But it's still pretty. Daming nagbabike, no? Welcome. Bienvenue. Paano yun, te? Bow Valley Parkway. Andito na.
Bow Value.
Valley.
Value sa akin.
Bow Valley. Ninunguya kasi ako eh. Ayos talaga ito. Asawa
Ubus
ko.
na yung baon nyo.
Ito pa lang eh. We're here at Johnston Canyon. Te, harap ka dito. Asan sila? Ah, yun si Popsy. I saw Popsy. Picturean mo na. Going there. That way. Wow. Ayan na ang falls. Ah, ito yung upper. Sa lower tayo. We'll just go to the lower one. 150. Ito. Wow! Picture mo kami dito, babe. Wow! Ba malaglag yung cellphone ko. Ang video ko ganito lang. Nam! Down ka na.
Sinasama ko ayaw masama.
1.5 mile lang naman. Oh, ayan. History. Where's my baby? Ah, ayun pala.
30 minutes lang pala to.
30 minutes walk lang. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Let's play a game. Kanta ka, kanta, Nam.
Ginagawa mo? Baka dinumihan mo yung jacket ko ha.
Ganda. Ganda ko. Char. Ang ganda ko. Ang mga babies na ayaw nang maglakad.
Malaglag cellphone mo.
Ay, dito tayo sa corner na yan. Tignan mo nga ito, nakaganyan na, pumunta pa. No? Wow.
Hindi ka siya, babe. Bumabala ka natin sa...
Puro into kasi tayo. Ayan, mga pagod na ang mga lola nyo.
Ah, sige.
Wow.
Where you're going na?
Ibidyoan kita, te. Oh. Oh. Sabi, ayun. Uugayan. There's the falls. Ha? Ayun, no? So, here's the lower falls. They're lining up. I don't know for what reason. This is the lower falls. Look at that. Ha? Alin picture saan?
Kailangan mo maglakad na.
Ayan, ma'am, you have to walk. We're gonna go inside the cave na. Babe, banin mo siya. Okay, go. Go. Tingnan. Wow! Sige, go, te. Wow! Hanggang dito na lang, te. Baka maano ka. Ayan, dyan ka. Picture lang. Was it, te? You didn't wanna get wet. Was it amazing? Why did you get scared, Nami? Bye, po. Si Mami. Model.
Nasa yung sombrero.
Ayan na po ang makeup artist nila. Oh, tingin-tingin. Oh, ba? Feel na feel yung makeup. Puti na lang nandiyan si Tita Kichi. May nagme-makeup sa inyo. Oh, Mami, di marunong mag-makeup eh.
My makeup is we're already in country, so we don't have our bahay.
Oh, we're on a different country, so we don't have our bahay. You're still in Canada. You're still in Canada. Canada. Why did you... Nami, bakit ka nag-makeup? Why did you put some makeup on? What? Because you're a sidekick kay ate. Ayan, picture time. Bo pictorial. Dito sa labas ng ano namin. Uy! May bonfire dito.
Is there a playground inside there?
Game room.
Game room, okay.
Yes. Parang ano to, no? Doon. Yun sa lodge. Pwede ka ba pumasok dito? Babe? Ayan. Ah, daming board games pala, oh. Wow! May? May basketball, billiards. Ano to? Table tennis. Ay, meron pang mga babies, oh. Ayos to, oh. May pang mga little babies pa, oh. Ayan pala si Papsi, oh. Uy, ang laki ng teddy bear. No. Papsi. Naku, wala nang practice si Papsi. Bakit? Uy, tumalsik. Ito madali lang. Mami. Yan, solong-solo. Ito naman, dito po, billiards. Ang tawag doon. Ano? Karambol. Shuffleboard. Ito yung shuffleboard.
Hindi yung shuffleboard.
Ano yun? Ay, shuffleboard ka. Di ba shuffleboard yun?
Video ako ng video dito, tapos nalaglag pala ako, no?
Hi, Dad.
Saan ka punta, Nam? Ba't naka-makeup ka?
Dito ka, picturean mo kami dito. Dito muna tayo. Doon si Dad. Nam, dito ka. Ayan yung view, oh. Ayan. Dito ka.
1, 2, 3. Oh, ayan, tara.
Dapat pala nag-tiktok tayo. May tiktok din tayo sa hotel natin. Hotel.
Nam, ba't naka-makeup ka? Sige, yun na. Lakoy.
We now enter the Icefield Park where they see lots of wild animals. Hopefully we'll get to see some wild animals. Anong lake?
Hector Lake.
Hector Lake. Nikita. Kailangan i-hike mo pa daw. First stop is the Crowfoot Glacier. Crowfoot Glacier nga. Ayan. Ayan. We're now here at Bow Lake. It's our second stop. So, we're going down. Oh, maybe that's a hotel. Oh, someone's down there. Ah, you can go down. Oo nga eh. Wow! Blue din siya oh. This is Bow Lake. We're now going to Peyto Lake. They said this is the stop that you cannot miss because it's really pretty. So, we'll see. Ito matras tong isa. Ay, ito. Maano lang to, maikling lakad lang naman. Maikli lang dito. Did you see?
Maaraw dito lalabas yung mga rock flowers.
Rock flowers? Ano kaya itsura ng rock flower?
Ayun, may snow po.
Ah, baka yun. Yung isa may flower, ayun oh.
That's what exactly I saw.
Yeah. Baka yun nga yun. Ngayon lang ako nakita ng bulaklak eh. Meron may isa. Ay, mamaya may makikita ka dyan, tita. Tapos yung... Ay, oo, sige nga. Pataas tong road na to. Ay, itong lakaran na to. Itong ano na to. Slowly lang. Slowly lang. Kichi.
Naloko nyo na naman ako ah.
So they say there's a two route. This one is the easier trail, but it's 50 meters longer. This one is the steeper one, but this one's 50 meters less. So we'll take this one para mabilis kami. Let's see. Ah, sige.
Going down.
Going up. Backwards. You're going up backwards. Go. Oh, there's a puppy. Go look at the puppy. Babe, huwag masyadong gilid. Baka tumama sila sa mga... Yeah.
Ayun yung mga puppy oh.
I think we're close. Okay. There's the lookout. We're almost there. I'm so excited to see. Is it worth the hike? Let's find out if it is. Whoa, look at that mountain. Ay, nag-ano sila dito. Nag-pictorial sila ng kasal. Wow. Let's see.
What's better out down there?
What? Ayaw nga no, may shoes yung dog na mo. Look at the dog. Meron pang raincoat.
Is it safe to go down
Ayun na. That's cute. Let's see. I'm excited to see. Huh? Oh, wow. Look at that water. It looks like your... What is this? Looks like your jello. Your blue jello that you ate earlier, right? Wow. It's super pretty. Wow. This is Waterfall Lake.
Made it a
Ito, Mount
popular
Kep-
challenge for climbers like
Mount
many other peaks
Kepren.
found along the Icefields Parkway. Since the pioneer climbing days of Collie and Woolley, climbing has changed significantly, including the risks climbers assume and what they expect for rescue.
Then they be sad.
Ano namang inaano-ano nyo?
Nambat ang tagal mo? Oh!
Ito naman blue.
Mayroon ka nakitang pink? Oh, red! Wow! Oh, ito naman. On our way to Mistaya Canyon. Hindi ako makapag-video kasi ang rough nung road pababa. Tas ganito, bato-bato. Medyo madulas pa kasi umulan. O, tara! Tayo, hawakan na ulit. We're almost there. Wow! Ayun yung mga tao, oh. Nandun sila, oh.
Wait.
Te. Wow! Te, be careful.
Wait.
Oo. Tara, te. Dito. Wow! Look at that. Oh, wow! Ganito. Ganda, no? Wow, ayun. Wow! Teka. Picture tayo, picture. Ang cute naman na nag-hiking na to. Ang liit-liit. I'm very proud of you. Oh, no, running. Can see the view.
Weeping wall.
Ano, weeping? Ha?
Weeping wall.
The valley gets noticeably tighter here, leaving us with steep cliffs on both sides of us. The cliff coming into view with the trickle of waterfall is called the Weeping Wall. Snow melting from above us flows down this cliff face all year round.
Falls, weeping. Yun yung pipicturan mo yung nasa kabila na yun, no?
Harap natin.
Yun, no? Ayan, that's Weeping Falls.
Weeping wall.
Ito ang Weeping Wall. Ayan ang ano, Saskatchewan River, Kuya M. North Saskatchewan River. Kasi, yun yung pupuntahan namin. Doon, papasok kami doon.
We are currently driving through a section that is known as the Big Bend.
Big
Bend?
Bend?
The road has been chiseled
Big
right
Bend.
into the side of a cliff.
Oh, ba't di pa
We're
pinagano
also
na?
very close to the beginning, or the end if you prefer, of the Saskatchewan Glacier and the start of the river.
Ganda.
Notice how narrow the river is here compared to a short while ago. This flat area is typical for an area that is close to the toe of a shrinking glacier. It's roughly flat, there's a lot of debris and not a lot of vegetation. We'll see more of this type of...
We're here at Cirrus Mountain. Whoa. Look at that. Uy, ano? Nakakanginig. Wow, look at that. Come on, clouds. Umalis na kayo. Can see it.
Ito Parker Ridge. Hinto tayo dyan.
Ah, oh, yan. Pintuan mo rin yan.
Of us on our left. There's a short but steep switchback trail that you can walk up to get to the top of the ridge. Though the walk is steep, it is one of the most rewarding short hikes you can do.
Rewarding
At the
short.
top of
This is Parker Ridge. Those are glaciers. Look at that. Wow. 2, 3, pass! Ayun.
Wala talaga.
the ride onto the ice. For most people, walking on a glacier is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. To enter, we actually drive past the center and then turn right into the parking lot. Ready.
Wow.
It's one of the secrets of mountain living.
Ayun, yung glacier.
Ayun yung baso.
South towards Banff and Lake Louise, we have lots of other
Ayun ang may
things to
bus.
see.
Ah,
If
oo
you've
nga,
already come
no.
this way and are returning, guess what? The views are all different. With dates on them. These represent
That's
the
the-
date when the toe of the glacier was at this point. In the early part
Pwede
of
ba
the
tayo dyan?
19th century,
Ha?
the toe of
Pwede
the
tayo dyan.
Athabasca Glacier was where the Icefield Center currently is located.
Hindi siguro nagpunta.
Off
Off
the glacier.
on the Icefield's northwest corner, which has advanced substantially over the past half century.
Yun o.
If you're going to walk up to the glacier, make sure you wear a jacket. The wind blowing off the glacier can turn even the hottest day into a chilly one. And if it's okay with you, I'm just gonna wait here.
Ayan yung nag-aano yung mga tubig na nalusaw, no? Wow, ang galing no, no? Andun yung ano, yung... Nakita mo yung baste? Ayun, no? On the top. Tapos may nag-walk sa glacier. Dapat dito na lang tayo, mapicturan lang, oh. Kasi pag... Baby, muna ka tumingin ka sa ano mo, ah. Ayun, yung mga nag-walk sa ano. Ang liit lang, no? Tapos ganun na yung... Ang kanbaya dun. Kalimutan ko. What is endless train? Endless Train Mountain.
Bottom. This is approximately an additional 3-kilometer round trip, so
Going
nothing
to
major,
Sunwapta
but expect to take an
Falls.
hour or so if walking all the way. The resort at Sunwapta on
Yay,
the corner
finally.
offers accommodations, refreshments,
It's dry
and gift stores.
here.
So it's a good place to stop if we feel we need a snack or a drink.
Ayan,
If
dyan
we
na lang tayo
haven't seen it
kumain.
already, the sign should be coming up shortly.
Ayun. We're here at Sunwapta Falls at nakita kami ng picnic spot. Dito na kami magdi-dinner. Dahil dinner time na. Malapit sa inyo yung bird. Yung crow. Ate, nanunuka daw yan. Ito isa. Kote. Uy. Uy, wag na kay Mamsi lahat. Babe, kunin mo nga. Ay, paano yata yan, ha? We're going to Sunwapta Falls.
Ay, pupulo tayo ng bato sa gilid. Ayaw mo na magpulot.
Ayun na yung falls. Teka, te, dito ka na lang sa akin para mag-hold si Mamsi and Papsi. Ay, hindi na. Te naman, para si Papsi, may kaalalay si Papsi. Ikaw naman eh. Beach? Bridge? Never. I was never in any of these. Yung bridge kanina? Hindi pa. Hindi pa kami napupunta dito ni Dad. So we wanna... That's why...
Is it the same one?
No! It's a different one. This one is... Yeah. It's a Sunwapta Falls. This one's Sunwapta Falls. Jump! Ganito yung daan. Going to the falls. Ah, ito yung parang ano niya. Wow! Hi! Say hi! Hi! Wow! Look at that! Wow!
Animals also use this area besides
Nakahinto yung mga sasakyan, no?
watch for elk. And if there are
Ayan,
lots
no?
of berries, be sure to talk once and shout
Yeah,
once
we're
in a while
going.
to alert the bears. If they're in the area, this will frighten them away before you even know they're there.
No.
The 5
May
tiny
umalis.
lakes are real gems.
Ano kayang meron
and on a
dito?
warm day, are even nice for swimming, as far as mountain
Dito ka
lakes
sa
go.
likod.
Ayun, may elf. Ayun,
Expect
May?
to take just a couple
May
of
elf.
hours to complete the
Ayun.
route.
Dito ka, babe. Pasok ka dyan. Ayun.
Ayun, laki oh.
Ayun, oh.
Ayun, dalawa. Isa lang.
Asan na yung isa? Ito. There. Babe, tanggalin mo si Nami. Tanggalin mo si Nami. Tanggalin mo si Nam.
Nakita mo tayo?
Ayan. Look at the horn. Ay, ano natin yung face niya. Hindi natin makita yung face niya, no?
Yeah, when he's done eating, when he works.
When he's done eating. Kaya mo sila, ngayon nga lang sila nakakita ng animals buong araw na nag-ano eh. Tingnan mo yung ano niya, parang fake yung ano niya, oh. Looks fake yung ear niya, no? Ayan. There it is! Wow! Nam mo kung ano yung ganyanin.
It's cute, right? Oh, yeah! I say, aha, bam bam! And that face.
Inaano niya yung bambam niya, oh. Day 5 and we're on our way back to Banff. Dadaanan namin yung mga hindi namin na daanan kahapon kasi maulan. Ayan na, finally sunny na again. This is our first stop. Hoy! Tara, Nam! Look at that. Look at that.
Tara.
Lush greenery, sabi ng asawa ko. And there's a beach. Diba yun yung water na sinasabi na, ay sa bagay yun, nag-ano yung bata. Oh. Hindi sabi, diba doon merong water na wag daw itatouch kasi ano, doon yung sa glacier pala yun. Ano? Uy, mabasa kayo ah. Game. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Horseshoe Lake. Alin? Tsaka mo aanin yung ano.
Oh, look at that flower.
Ay, oo, may orange. Orange naman. Ito yellow. Ah, marami iba-ibang bulaklak dito ah.
Lady slipper na ano.
Lady slipper?
Oo, meron yun wood.
Are you there yet? Are you there yet?
O yun, natitingin ka sa baba.
Let's play a game. Look where we are.
Yan. Parang nasunog to eh, no? Ha? O yun nga yung sinasabi eh. Mali nga daw eh. Yun daw yung proper, ano.
Saan yun?
Doon daw, ayun, yung pinuntahan nila. Balik. On the way to Horseshoe Lake.
Too late. Wait, why?
Horseshoe kasi parang ano siya, shape ng horse. Yung paa ng horse.
Horseshoe?
Yeah. Diyan ba, kuya? Andiyan na, nakita mo na yung lake? Nainis na talaga ako sa nagsasabi ng short. Ape.
Punta ng Philippines sa gubat.
Gubat sa syudad. Parang ganito. Nakita mo na ba? Totoo ba? Totoo? Totoo ba ang balita? Ba't ako hindi ko pa nakikita? Ano daw? Ay, naku! Nakuha sa video, tita!
When the water looks like I see the boo, but I don't know what it looks like.
Cliff ba yan? Dahan-dahan kayo may cliff.
What's a cliff?
Baka madulas tayo. Wow! Oh, wow! Deep blue. Dito ka, te. Babe,
Blue.
dahan-dahan. Dito ka, te. Baka malaglag ka. Ay, ang ganda magpicture. Kuya, mumupo ka dyan. Kaya mo?
Maybe there.
Ano yun? Yung rock, oh. Kitang-kita mo yung rock sa ilalim, Teo. Nagmi-mirror. Ayan, mirroring effect. Teka dito. Ay, wow, may bridge! Wow. Super nice.
There.
What is not there?
There's Daddy. And... Wow. Teka lang, te.
Hindi ka naman niya inaano.
That's a huge.
Langgam.
Athabasca Falls.
Tabasca. Tabaka.
Ano? Tabaka. Ano tabaka? Ayun.
May video na.
Hindi, yung mismong falls nasa, nandoon pa. Ano pa siguro? Oh. Wow. Ayan, sige, pipicturean ko kayo dyan. Dami nagpipicture dito. Ayan. Where's Dad? Dito walang masyadong tao. Nandun yung mga tao. Ito pala yung picturan. Tingnan mo dyan, silipin mo dyan. Ayun o. Ayun o. Dito tayo. Ayan. Wow.
Ngayon na nga. Dito na lang.
Anong nining nyo dyan? Sound and spray. Oh, ito. Ibang side naman. Look at that miss.
Ganito pa magpusigit siya.
If they are, please don't approach them too closely. And despite what locals may try to tell you, the Goat Lick is not a place where we can try to lick the goats. Alright, let's move forward in time about 300 million years. So it's now 175 million years ago. Our flat layers of sediment are weak and brittle and disappeared more quickly. Let's throw in some ice ages, glaciers a mile thick moving over the rocks. Oh, and the weight of the glacier grinding and pulverizing rock in its path, shaping the mountainsides and valleys beneath them. The case. And a few tips will help us make sure that you're not going to have a bad meeting with a bear.
Ayun o, open na open.
Ay, ba thumbs down?
Nandito po tayo ngayon.
Ito po ang bundok ng Susong Dalaga. At ito po ang bundok ng Susong Dalaga. At ito po ang bundok ng suso ng nanay.
We are actually not at the highest point on the Icefields Parkway. This road reaches a peak elevation at both.
Sana si Papi. Tangle Falls. Tatabi lang yan ng daanan. Wow.
That That's where we'll go to buy tickets and join the special modified bus tours onto the glacier. There's also a Parks Canada.
Ganda, buti na lang nakita natin ngayon, no?
Food service. Markers on the side of the road with dates on it. These represent the date when the toe of the glacier was at this point.
Ang laki, oh.
In the early part of the 19th century, the toe of the Athabasca
Yes.
Glacier was where the ice
That's
field
where we're
system was
going.
located. The glacier then receded over
Going on the glacier.
125 years.
That's why you have to be careful. Ayun, mga tao yun, no? Tsaka yung bus. Ayun. No. Dapat mag-ride ka ng bus para makaano ka dyan.
Make sure you wear a jacket. Wind blowing off the glacier can turn even the hottest day into a chilly one. And if it's okay with you, I'm just gonna wait.
Hello. Now we're going to walk on top of the ice. Yung Columbia Ice Field. Yes, baby.
Imagine when you climb Mount Everest and you found the most prettiest stone in the tippy top.
Yes, I know. That will be wonderful. Biglang nagkaroon ng ano, no? Biglang humangin ng sobra. Oo nga eh. Cold? Cold ba, Nam? See, ayaw mo pa suoting yan. Teka lang, put your hoodie on, Nami. Ayusin natin yung ano mo. Ayan na, mga nagpupulot na ng ano, ng bato. Mami, no one's wanna hold Mami. Kawawa naman si Mom. Ditiliman ako dahil naka-shades ako. Ooh, that's what we're gonna climb up. Actually, baka mas mataas pa yung tinrek namin dyan nung minsan, nung kahapon eh. So, here it is. The view. Pero ang lamig kasi, kaya nag-double jacket ako. Ayan. Big Son. Pink! Wow, I wanna see it later. I wanna see it later. Ganun ba yan? Dito ka sa akin, te. Ayan, pulot naman ng pulot. Yay. Ayaw sa akin sumama. Kay daddy daw dahil ano, pupulot sila ng stone. Actually, pag tinignan mo siya dun sa malayo, parang nakakaano kasi kitang-kita mo yung taas. Pero habang naglalakad ka, hindi mo naman napapansin na umaakyat. Hinihingal ka na lang. What, Nam? It's too high. Look at that. We're really far now. Wow. Konti na lang. We're almost there, Nami. Yeah.
This is my first time climbing a mountain.
It's your first time, yeah. I know, right? Me too. Look how far are we from the video. Wow.
They're gonna cartoon me on
Ay, hindi pwede. Madudulas tayo. Te. Wow. Wow. We're on the top. Hi! Teka, Nami and Dad. Go, Nami! Come here. You can do it, baby! Wow! Look at them. Yung mga tao sa baba nun, liit na, no, te? See? That puppy even went up.
And that means we're at the tippy top.
Wow! Look where we're going. It's super cold here.
I'm in this.
We need to it. Wow.
I thought there's snow. You said there was snow.
Ayun! We're gonna see it. Wow, you did it, baby! I'm super proud of you. You made it. Look at that. I know. Let's go. Over there. Ayan, nagpipicturan na sila Tito. Tito M. Wow. Wow.
Not a special.
Sige tayo, lakad ka. Hanap ka dito. Why? Ayun yung glacier. Ayan ang pinagkabisihan sa Columbia Ice Field. Dahil picture lang kita with yung ginawa mo. Picture lang kita kasama ng ginawa mo. Ayan, very good. What is it?
Mountain.
Oh, you match the colors? Wow. What? Oh, is that the one that you did? That's nice. That's very cool. Okay, let's go.
We made it up there.
Yay! Sa labas ng ano lang namin. Oh, squirrel. There's a squirrel.
Sarap niyan.
Ang sarap yan. Yung pala iniinom ni Gigi habang pinitignan niya. Ayan, doon siya kumain.
Lalabas ka, ulihin mo para kay tita.
So big ba na?
Gift mo kay ate.
So big.
Sakyan natin. Gonna ride.
You wanna ride it? Wow! Birthday kasi ni ate, kaya lumabas sila eh, oh. Pinagbigyan, nasad kasi sila dahil ilalang lang animal. Ay, kumakain siya. Asa isa?
Buksan mo nga, lab.
Hindi, nasa yung isa.
Yung laki parang ano, kabayo.
Buksan dali.
Asa yung isa?
Hindi, nakalaki.
Ano ka lang?
Nandyan lang.
Yung mga string.
Oo nga, isa video eh. Hindi, sa door. Doon ka umano sa pinto.
Tumakbo niya. Yun yung plane
Ako
niya.
lang sa kabila. Ay.
Bye!
Ayun, no? Tingnan mo, tatawid siya.
Tatawid na siya. Bye, dear! Bye, dear!
Parang ganun ako tumatawid.
Oh, ayun na, tumungkit nga maglakad, oh. Oh, ito! May gorilla! Ito, may gorilla naman. Bye!
Happy birthday to you.
Elementary school, oh.
Happy birthday to you.
Iba rin yung playground.
Happy birthday to you.
His office, ah.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Play ka naman sa blue. Birthday girl! Ayun, oh.
You go water.
Ay, yaki. Yan, magpipicture kami sa bonsai. Bye. Naman, no? Ano yun? Ano yun?
is green like avocado.
Yung green like avocado. And that's Iwi.
Yan, there's a line up.
Okay.
Okay, bibidyo kita. Baka malaglag ka. Okay, go. Ha?
You're gonna say,
What are you doing, Nam?
Gonna go to the way
Okay.
and jump.
Okay, jump. Wow. Looks like your gymnastics. Let me see your flower. What you got there?
Flowers.
Wow. With Mom's here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate. Happy birthday to you.
Hello. Did you wish? Yay.
Yay!
Birthday, Nani. Happy birthday, Nani. Happy birthday, dear Nani. Happy birthday.
Oh, wish ka muna, wish.
Oh, wish. Ano wish mo? Sana po.
Matutunaw na yung candle.
Ano ka na po matutunan eh? Blow, blow,
Blow mo na, Nam.
blow.
Yay!
So smoky.
Ano, ako mag-video, ikaw mag-picture.
Hindi. Yan, napatakad.
Hindi okay lang yun na ano din natatanggap kita.
Okay na.
Ayan.
Picture sa akin, ha?
Picture sa'yo, ah. One. Ito, ito. Ay, niyata sa atin. Ha? That's ours?
Oo.
No, that's not ours. Ha? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, make a wish. Blow.
Happy birthday.
Yay! Boracay. Lagay mo. Yeah, you went to Boracay, right?
Ilocos.
Oh.
Bubura.
McDonald's in Banff. Ganda, di ba? With a view. Oh, sayaw, sayaw. Salamin, salamin. Oh, sayaw, sayaw. Paano ba yan? Paano? Salamin, salamin, salamin. Salamin, salamin. Ano yan? Pinapangulangot mo yung sister mo.
Dito pa yung parking.
That a celebration is that a celebration that you're gonna have that when you have a birthday and then you're gonna have a press then you're gonna have
Kahit dito walang parking.
and we're gonna no more sungit and we're
No more sungit.
and then we're gonna laugh together and then we're gonna kiss together and so dance together and sing together. That's celebration.
Ah, ganun ba yun? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Wish ka muna, wish ka muna. Nag-wish ka na? Yay! Yan, pauwi na kami. Nadaan muna kami ng Cross Iron Mill. Kasi birthday ni Tita Kichi. Para mag-celebrate siya ng birthday doon. It's raining and
We get here, Dad.
are you sad that we're going home? We're leaving here. Did you like it here?
Get here.
Nag-vlog si Ma.
Nagpa-vlog pa si Mami eh. O sige na. See you later na lang. Mamimiss namin yung view ng mountains everywhere.
Tigilan mo na.
Did you say Nam?
You gonna miss this land? Are you sad? How about you, Te?
How about when Mommy, pag nakapunta na si Tita Sherry come here?
Ate Sherry?
Tita Sherry come here now and then we're going back here, okay, Mommy?
Okay. Yeah, we'll tell Tita Sherry.
Ate,
Baka na tayo nanay niya rin.
We're going to Disneyland pa? Eh, how about Tita Rose and Tita Rolin? And Kuya Josh? Si Mama hindi nakasama, no?
Si Mama, hindi nga niya alam kailan niya pupunta.
Oh, ganon. Aww. I'm really gonna miss this place.
Hello mga batang 90s!
Ano, no, Te?
Mga ka-maintenance!
You don't wanna visit?
Next time mag-airplane tayo.
Hindi, pag nasa ano na tayo, pag nasa baba, ay nasa Calgary na tayo, wala nang mountains doon, Te, doon sa Memo.
Wala, hills doon eh.
Mountain, di
Nasa
mo na
Cross
to.
Iron hindi.
You're never gonna see it na. Wow. Cross Iron Mills. Daan mo na daw kami dito. Bago umuwi eh. For lunch. Actually, niwasan na nga sana namin to. Pero,
Talaga?
dinadala ko sa shopping. Ano ba yan?
Iwasan, wow.
Niiwas ako na nga sana.
Cross Iron Mill.
Yeah. Oh, ang bilis na magbasa ng ate ko, ha. This is an outlet store, Te. Ito yung katumbas ng big mall sa atin. But this is bigger and bigger and bigger. Bigger and bigger.
More bigger.
Yeah. Ayan, try mo, try.
Matamis to, sobrang tamis na to. Pag kinagat mo kagad,
Parang candy. Ano lasa? Is it good? Is it good?
Listening to me, Mommy.
Anong listening?
Naiihilak ako. Uy, ang daming bird, oh. Look.
Hilang yung nanay mo.
Look at that.
Let's go and play for just a few minutes.
Kakain na tayo.
Oh, ang daming bird. Look at that. Ayun, oh.